Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can adjust your image quality settings on your Fuji X-Series camera. So to do that, first you have to go to menu, and from there the first option that you have, that is called image quality settings, and from here we can adjust different things. First we have the image size, which is image aspect ratio. You can go with any of these settings that as you want, but personally I recommend to go with 3:2. However, you can go with 16:9 or 1:1, whatever that you like. And then the second option that we have, that is the image quality. So here we have different options. So I have selected fine, but you can go with normal, that reduce the quality of the image, and then fine and raw. So that is basically a normal JPEG image. At the same time you will have the raw version of it, basically two images of the same picture that you take, but you will have option for the raw file which you can process later, and then normal and raw, or you just can go with raw. So I would recommend, if you want to have a raw file, then I would recommend just go with raw file, so that you don't create several version of your image. It consumes a lot of space. Or you just can simply go with fine if you don't think that you need to further edit the image too much. Right, and then for video recording, you can also similarly go with uncompressed version or lossless compressed options as you want. So the next one we have here is film simulation. So here you have different simulations. I went with standard, but you can go with vivid and other filters that you think that you can use as you want. And then the green effect, I actually turn it off, but if you want to bring some grain effect, then you can go with strong or weak, whatever you prefer. And then the dynamic range, I suggest that you go with auto. You also select 100 or more as you want. White balance, I choose auto, but you can go with different white balance setting that the camera offers. And then the highlight tone, and that is also, I went with like 0, but you can go with plus and minus according to your preference and the scene that you shoot. So friends, this is how you can adjust image quality settings on your Fuji X-Series camera. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.